Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I prepared this cooked fried rice without frying it. So the first thing we'll be doing is to wash our rice. I'm using basmati rice already washed. I also have some chicken broth. You can use meat broth. I also have some white onion. You can use red onion. I have some rosemary and thyme as well. Then I also have some vegetables. I'm making use of carrots, green peas, sweet corn, and green beans. I also have some garlic inside my onion here. I have some diced garlic there, seasoning cube and nutmeg. Then I also be making use of some butter, margarine. And over here is pepper and ginger. I grated the ginger. And I'm making use of this red cabbage just to add some popping color to the fried rice. Not much. I will also be making use of some salt, some curry powder, and of course I have some turmeric powder to add that popping color to the fried rice. Then I also have some shrimps. This is the size of the shrimp I'm using. You can make use of any size of your choice. So let's start cooking. I will first of all add some margarine or butter to my pot and I will allow this to melt. This margarine has a lot of water. That's why a lot of steam is coming out from it. It contains a lot of water in it. So after it has melted, I will add the rice, already washed basmati rice. You can use jasmine rice or any other type of rice you prefer. I will stir this and allow the water to dry up. Then after that, once you notice that the rice has soaked up all the water and the margarine, then you can add your chicken or meat broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can make use of water. Then I top up the water because the rice is not cooked yet. We need a lot of water to cook this. I will add the seasoning cube, add the ginger and some pepper, add the garlic and onion. Then I'll be adding some curry powder to this. You can add a lot of curry powder if you don't have turmeric powder, but if you have turmeric powder, you can just make it 50-50. I will add a teaspoon of turmeric powder for that popping color. Add some thyme to this. Add some rosemary to this as well. Then I will be grating in some nutmeg. Please, if you're watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out the video. I will be throwing in some shrimps, add some salt to taste, then stir and check for salt. I noticed that it still needs a little bit of water. Then I will top it up with water because the water is supposed to be a little bit above the rice. Then tested everything is okay. I will use my foil to cover the pot. Then I will allow this to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. Then I will be back. Then after 10 minutes, you can see that the water is not well dried. So now you can add the vegetables. I'm using frozen vegetables. That's why I'm adding it now. If not, I would have waited to add it after 15 minutes. So I added my vegetables. Give this a stir to make sure it is well combined. Then after stirring it, if you are not sure, you can check for salt again to make sure if you need to add any other salt. But yeah, everything is okay. So I will just cover it again and allow it to cook on a low heat for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, voila! Fried rice is ready. Fried rice. Oh my god, this tasted so good, so delicious, and the color was so popping, so inviting. Please make sure you give this a try. A try will convince you. You can never go wrong with this. Now you can dish it out like this or like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.